PeopleSoft Inventory Cost Balancing WorkCenter enables you to complete the inventory cost ledger before the ledger closing period. Using the WorkCenter, you can view the outstanding transactions as alerts, find the required information, and easily make sure the accounting line items are in balance with your inventory ledger costs. Let's start by logging in as a manager. When you log in, you'll see the manager's self-service homepage. From here, you can view notifications, access your applications, and navigate throughout your PeopleSoft system. We'll select Procurement Operations and click on the Cost Balancing WorkCenter tile to start our demonstration. On the Cost Balancing WorkCenter page, you can see your alerts for pending activities. There are 15 different alerts in the WorkCenter to help you confirm that all processes are complete before you initiate a period end close. But for today, we'll just show you 2 alerts in detail. The first alert, Put Away Not Completed, shows you the item receipt lines that have been received but not yet put away. The right-hand side of the screen shows you the pending receipt lines. Using the related actions, you can either send an email to your coworkers to notify them of the issue, or initiate the Load Staged Items process to complete the put-away process for the receipt lines. Next, use the Cost Balancing Tolerance alert to quickly identify the inventory items that are out of balance between the inventory subledger cost and the accounting lines. Each item row displays the period value amount, the accounting value amount, the variance between these 2 values, and the tolerance percent. You can use dynamic filters to identify the items that need review. For example, let's filter the results based on 4% tolerance. The system now shows you the items with a cost difference greater than 4% when you compare the inventory cost ledger period value and the accounting lines. Use the download icon to download the data in an Excel spreadsheet format. Click here to view the cost transaction group detail rows associated with this item's cost. Now you can see the costs incurred during this fiscal period for this transaction group. You can also view the associated GL accounting lines. Using related actions, you can view the inventory transaction details and the accounting transaction entries that correspond to an account line. Next, we'll select the Transaction Entries option. The system shows you the accounting entries for the detail inventory transactions you selected. Now, let's drill down into an entry using related actions. This shows the inventory transaction history record for a cost row. In this example, we've identified an item that had an out-of-balance cost and then quickly drilled down to the original inventory transaction. The PeopleSoft Fluid WorkCenter enables your managers to confirm that all processes are run before initiating the period end close for the inventory cost ledger. Your managers can review the generated accounting lines and set filters on the transactions to narrow their focus and access the information they want. Cost managers can now spend their time resolving out-of-balance cost issues rather than spending their time looking for the items that caused an out-of-balance situation.